I just picked up this crepe spreader and spatula set from MoonWood, and it comes in a 3.5, 5, and 7-inch spreader size, and it's made from 100% all natural untreated beechwood, so that's nice. The instructions say in several different ways to, when you're assembling, not to worry that they're hard to assemble and that it would be bad if they were easy to assemble. So there, it's not hard to assemble. That's the 3.5 there. The 5 and the 7 are the same, so you just squish it in there. There's nothing to it. To care for them, you want to just give them a light oil. You can use probably olive oil. I have butcher block oil that I'll just put a light coat on to help treat them. Don't put them in the dishwasher. It will ruin them. Just hand wash them underwater and let them air dry. So there you have it. I am ready to go make some crepes. Let me show you what that looks like.